Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's find them. And now in this left section we have to scroll down to almost very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that I've been using it for 1 hour, actually more than 1 hour, and you can check how much time we've spent on particular apps, or actually it was 1 hour more than yesterday. After tapping on it we can open this dashboard, thanks to which we can compare particular days of a week and the time spent on the on a specific apps. You can tap on categories also and check some further details. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.